Hey guys, you know I love my Aperol Spritz. So now I'm gonna make my seasonal Spritz. It's fall, so let's make an autumn version of the Aperol Spritz. Here we go. Wine glass. I love having my Spritz in a wine glass. This is actually a red wine glass, but it's a really nice size for a Spritz because there's so many different parts to it. So get a big, nice, beautiful glass filled with ice. I love big fat ice cubes in mine. It just helps elevate the whole thing. It looks really pretty. Okay, so Prosecco, of course. This is a Prosecco that I get from my local wine shop. And they have beautiful organic Proseccos. So usually I go about halfway because there's a lot of ice. So halfway with the Prosecco. Cappelletti. I love Cappelletti. I will use Aperol I still call it an Aperol Spritz in the summertime, but Cappelletti is very similar to Aperol, but it's lighter and it's not as sweet. So let's use some Cappelletti. So good. Now we're gonna do some rosemary simple syrup. So this is so easy to make. It's my simple syrup, which I've showed you guys. And all I do is I keep this in the refrigerator, but I infuse it. You can infuse it with anything you want. Oranges, strawberries, raspberries, blackberries, any kind of fruit you like. What I do is I put some rosemary in it and it infuses. Oh my gosh, it's beautiful. It smells so good. So that is gonna add a beautiful flavor. A little bit goes a long way because also the Cappelletti is sweet as well. But even just that little hint of the rosemary simple syrup, it just totally elevates it and makes it feel more fall. Okay, now blood orange. Another thing that makes me feel very seasonal. Fall and winter. Look at this beautiful orange slice. You can also dry these out. So pretty. We're gonna put that in. We're gonna do a little spritz of the juice. And we're gonna top it with a little splash of club soda. So pretty. Now let's give it a mix. A gentle mix. Look at how beautiful that is. Isn't that pretty? Oh, that is so good. The rosemary simple syrup really comes through. It's beautiful. And the blood orange is a different flavor from the regular orange that I put in it during the summer. I just love this. It's so elegant and beautiful, and it does have a seasonal feel to it. Yum. Thank you guys for hanging out with me. If you haven't already, subscribe to my channel and turn on notifications so you know when I put up another video. Cheers. Ah, so good.